Kumusta guys? Ngayong araw muli niyo ako samahan na mag-react dito sa banda Mission Souls dahil nalalapit na yung Kapaskuhan guys. Ito yung ating i-react ngayon, yung kanilang cover song ng kanta ni Taylor Swift, yung Last Christmas na sumikat noong 2007. Ayan, release noong October 14. Ayan, pakinggan natin kung gaano kagaling dito ang banda Mission Souls. Si Mami Sheena yung kakanta dito guys.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears,
Ang ganda ng harmony nila.
I'll give it to someone special. Once bitten and twice shy, I keep my distance, but you still catch my eye. Tell it, baby, to
Parang Taylor Swift ang datingan ng boses ni Mami Sheena, no?
you recognize me? Well, it's been a year, it doesn't surprise me. Merry Christmas, I wrapped it up and sent it with a note saying I love you, I meant it.
Pag ganito yung mga ngaroling sa'yo guys, nako, walang tanggi. Napakahusay nilang kumanta.
Now I know what a fool I've been, but if you kiss me now, I know you fool me again. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away.
Sarap pakinggan ng boses nila, no? Pagkasabay-sabay silang kumakanta.
This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you
Naka-red sila lahat, to. Si Ice lang yung color blue.
gave it away.
Christmas na.
This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. A crowded room and friends with tired eyes. I'm hiding from you, and you're so
And duet pala sila dito guys ni Stacy at si Mami Sheena.
full of eyes. Oh my, I thought you were someone to rely on. Me, I guess I was a shoulder to cry on, a face.
Cute ni Nasis, ano? Ganda rin ang boses ni Nasis eh. Tsaka ni Nisha. Maririnig mo yung boses nila eh pagka nag-back up sila kay Stacy.
Want a lover with a fire in his heart, a girl undercover, but you tore her apart. Maybe this year,
Ayun no. Si Daddy Seka nakapikit no. Talagang ramdam niya na yung Christmas.
give it to someone special. 'Cause last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
Napaka-astig talaga ni Ice pumalo ng drums. Grabe yung rolling niya no. Ang bilis.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone.
Ganda ng tunog ng piano ni Nasis dito. Parang wala pa dito yung keyboard niya na no, yung Roland. Ito palang puti ang gamit niya. Tama ba ako guys? Arturia ba to tong gamit na keyboard ni Nasis? Comment nyo lang guys sa mga nakakala.
Won't be anything like anything.
Ang ganda ng tunog ng effects ni Nisha dito. Kakaiba yung tunog ng gitara niya. Parang First time ko lang narinig tong effects niya na to sa gitara.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
Grabe. Astig. Napakalupit mga rolling ng banda Mission Souls. O diba guys, ano masasabi nyo sa cover song na to ng banda Mission Souls? Diba, napakalupit. Ayan guys, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa kanilang channel, alam nyo nang gagawin. Mag-subscribe na kayo guys para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod pa nilang i-cover. Ganon din sa ating munting channel. Mag-subscribe na kayo para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod pa nating content. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.